Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to find muted accounts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC version of the app after the latest update. If you've ever muted someone and now want to review or unmute them, this quick guide will walk you through every step clearly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it loads, look over on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that says More. This is where you'll find a list of additional settings and tools that aren't displayed on the main navigation bar. Next, in the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This section lets you manage all your account details, security preferences, and interactions. Once inside, click on Privacy and Safety. This is where you can control the visibility of your content and manage who can interact with you on the platform. Now, in the Privacy and Safety menu, find and click on Mute and Block. This category includes all the controls for muted and blocked accounts, so you can easily manage both from here. Once you're inside Mute and Block, you'll see the option labeled Muted Accounts. Click on that, and a complete list of all the accounts you've muted will appear. You can scroll through the list, unmute any account you want, or simply review who's currently muted. It's that simple. This update has made it much easier to find muted accounts on X using a PC. The menu layout is cleaner, and everything related to privacy is now grouped more logically in one place. So even if you haven't checked your muted list in a while, it only takes a few seconds to find it again. And that's it. You now know exactly how to find your muted accounts on X after the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore the other features in your privacy settings to keep your browsing experience personalized and smooth.